blow him. Mixing the mirror with Dior, rock becoming so trim. AK, it got the Mars trigger, it'll super soak him. Them doctors put him back together, or them bullets broke him. I can't say fuck your dead mans, and I ain't even know him. AR-15. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rock Tactical, and today I'm back with a banger. Alright, now today, let me get this mouse out the way. Today we got a special video for everybody who got a 7.62 AR, 5-inch, 7.5-inch, 8-inch, 10.5, 11, 16, 20. If you got a 7.62 AR and you like me, you wanted more mag options, well, today we got the 75 round drum, man. YouTube is not a 75 round drum. It's a 30 round drum. It just looked like a drum. But yeah, that's what we got, the 30 round drum magazine. Now, first let me show y'all the guns I'm going to be displaying today. It's clear. First we got 5-inch 7.62 AR pistol with the super safety on there. Small. Show you guys it is clear. Gun is clear. It's the 5-inch 7.62 AR pistol with the super safe. Okay, we're gonna be using that one. 5.56 by 5.56 by 45, I think. And we got the 5.56 5-inch with a 60 and a super safe. Feel me? So all super safes. Mag is clear. Gun is clear. Now, let's put this 75 round drum out the plastic. Okay, this is what it look like. Box, stars on it. AR-15 made in Korea. This will come in the box. So boom, we're gonna go ahead, rip that out the box, and nothing in the box. So you know my favorite line. Let's see how they like it in the streets. Rip that out the plastic, and we got the 75 round drum, Korean made, rear loading. It's basically like the 7.62 drums. Okay. Let's get a good look at it. Feels pretty durable. Got the sling mount on there if you want to sling it. You know, it's like the AK drum. Spin it around, load it, charge it, twist it, boom. So this will look like an inside. So let's do first. Let's talk about this specific drum. So with this specific drum, I reached out to the guys at drummagazines.com. The owner, talked to him. He called me. He like, hey man, I see you, you know, running your YouTube. Seem like you know what you're doing. He like, people that order these drums, they say they're trash. They basically just say they're not good. When he told me, in fact, they are good, just sometimes you got to do a little more to get them running. Which is understandable, because a lot of stuff isn't just coming like that. Not just like with these super safe. When you buy super safe, it's not going to work out the box. You got to do a lot to get it running. But with the drum, it's already kind of bad because the 7.62 was never made for an AR platform. So we're already at a disadvantage. But the fact that they made one drew my attention. Now, when you get it, you're supposed to load it up with the full 75 rounds. I did. Twisted it, and I manually chambered all 75 out. Now, did I have some malfunctions? Of course I had some malfunctions. First 10 to 15 went perfect. Then I started getting nose diving rounds. I don't know if it was because my hand got tired of charging, but I don't know. But once it got to like 30, it went back regular. And then on the last 2 rounds, just I guess the spring wasn't strong enough to push them up. But didn't have any feeding problems. A couple problems I did run into. So this is my 7.62 by 39 lower. Well, it was. This is my 7.62 by 39 lower. I'm changing it to my 300 blackout. Okay. So on that lower, this is the lower I was normally running on, right? And the drum had no problems going right here. Feel me? Drum goes right in. Drum's in. On that lower, no problem. No problem. And that's an Aero Precision lower, by the way. It's an Aero Precision Enhanced lower. This is a 5.56. Another Aero Precision Enhanced lower. No problem. Like literally go straight in. Right? Then I got what type of lower is this? This is a Facts and Firearms. So I have a Facts and Firearms lower. This was my 5.56 lower. Changed it to my 7.62. And as you see, like this mag, this 7.62 mag already has some problems going in there and getting stuck. When P mag goes straight in, drops right out. Goes straight in, drops right out. See, this isn't an enhanced lower. This is a regular AM-15, AR-15, FF-15 lower. Okay, so that's as far as I can get it in here without slamming it. Without really, and then once I do that, I have to rip it out. See what I'm saying? So, Facts and Firearm lower, you will have to do some dremeling. You will have to do some smoothing to get it in and to get it out, or it will be a hell of a problem. So, what I figured out. Enhanced lowers, they work very well with this drum. I'll show you again. I'm not exaggerating. It'll slide in there. It's the farthest I can get it in by hand without like banging it on the table. And then it's a hell to get out. You see what I'm saying? So 9 times out of 10, I'm actually gonna change this to the 300 blackout lower. Put the 7.62 back on the lower. Get a I got a pistol buffer coming. I'm gonna put that on here with the brace, and I'm just gonna have braces on everything. This micro buffer is giving me some problems now. It did good and super safe for about 100 rounds. Now it just, I don't even know. Don't want to talk about it. So boom. The drum don't work with, well, for me, it don't work with any of my standard AR-15 lowers. All right. So here it is, the 7.62 with the drum. Looks pretty crazy. I do got the SB83 on there. All right, for this, so you know, I did get the brace. Well, another brace. This is for the 5.56 though. This is not for this. I'm really just displaying it, but this is the drum. Got the beam, Sigram M5. This is a flashlight also. But yeah, rate this little bill. 7.62. The brace, super safe. I ain't hiding from nobody. New button. New button. Gun is clear. But if y'all want to see me run this whole 75 drum with the super safe, all you got to do is comment down below. If it'll run, we're going to see. Shout out to the people at drummagmagazines.com for sending me this out to test. That looks crazy, bro. That looks crazy. That looks crazy. So yeah, this is how it looks on the gun. Like an insane drum. But if you like what you see, 5-inch, the drum, the super safe, the brace, the red dot, anything you see, if you like anything you see on this build, comment down below and I will let you know where I got anything from. Follow me on Instagram. We'll be like right here. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We got a range video coming soon. And that's about all, you guys.